Hi Public Health students, my name is Shan and I work for IFSA, a non-profit study abroad organisation. I'm here to assure you that public health students do go abroad, and you should too. There are lots of reasons to go abroad, from learning a language to exploring a different culture, to getting a fresh perspective on your academic major, and even just to spend time in some place. But there's another important reason for public health students to go abroad. Students who go on to public health careers to work with diverse populations or on international teams, whether in industry or academia. The global perspective and cross-cultural communication skills you gain through an undergraduate study abroad experience will help set you apart from your peers, which is especially important when you're applying for jobs or graduate school in the future. Now that I've briefly talked about why you should go abroad, here's a heads up about what else I'll cover in this webcast. I'll cover the types of public health programs you can study, how you find public health classes abroad, examples of IFSA programs, and how you can get more information. Let's jump in. So what public health options does IFSA have? IFSA has programs all around the world in our own program centres, partnering with local service providers or at excellent host institutions with well-established public health offerings. As you know, public health is a very interdisciplinary program across fields of sociology, anthropology, economics, health sciences, and communication, so it can sometimes be hard to find suitable classes. With some planning, you will be able to find the right opportunity, and IFSA can help. On the IFSA website, you can find a searchable course database called Chart, where you can log in and search for classes offered abroad and taken by recent IFSA students. You can search for classes by title or academic discipline, or even just do a search to see what types of classes are commonly offered on specific study abroad programs. There are thousands of listings to explore. And if you cannot find what you need, you can submit a request in the system and IFSA staff will look for classes on our programs and let you know if there are any options for you. The IFSA professional program advisors are also a wonderful resource, and they work closely with all students who apply to our programs. One other thing to keep in mind is that with IFSA you can take advantage of extra experiential learning options while you are abroad. Many students will replace an elective class with a credit-bearing research experience or an internship in order to further boost their resume while abroad. Now I'm going to switch gears and show you some examples of programs perfect for public health students. I'm now going to highlight IFSA's public health options by region. If there is a particular city, country, or region of the world you are interested in, then get in touch with IFSA and we can find the right fit. First are IFSA programs in Latin America. In Latin America, you will need some Spanish language to enroll at our IFSA partner institutions, but you'll have the opportunity to study alongside students from Mexico or Argentina and really broaden your future opportunities. In Mérida, Yucatan, explore how Mexico balances 21st century realities with the enduring influence of the pre-Hispanic Mayan Empire. You will examine the complexities of the local culture and learn how the Mayan influences thread differently throughout Mexico. There is also a summer option in Mérida. No prior language knowledge is required for the Introduction to Medical Spanish course and a course on contemporary issues in public health on the Yucatan. The Yucatan is interesting because it has a mix of tourists from the US who come to access cheaper medical care and a local population of Mexican citizens who use public and private hospitals. These include Mérida's indigenous Mayan communities who use traditional medical practitioners such as herbalists, midwives, and bone setters. This IFSA program includes visits to observe hospitals and clinics, as well as meetings with traditional healers. Buenos Aires is the location for you if you are looking for a large cosmopolitan city experience with fascinating social and economic dynamics, where you can mix and match classes depending on your academic and professional goals. Argentina also has the opportunity to study some courses in English at our partner institutions, but please ensure with your program advisor that they will be available. In these Latin America sites, you can engage in individualized field research with faculty experts on a contemporary issue of interest, or you can participate in a part-time, credit-bearing internship at sites that may include NGOs, local corporations, or government organisations. Now I will move to the UK to highlight our IFSA Life Science Career Accelerator, in London, which will be open for enrolment in fall 2022. By subtracting the option to take a class at a London university, this program lowers the overall cost and lets us welcome students with a GPA of 2 and up. The Life Science Career Accelerator's core class, Leadership in the Life Sciences, earns you a professional certificate, and you also have the chance to do a hands-on internship or directed research, all in one of the world's most diverse and cosmopolitan cities, full of things to see and do. If you want the option of adding a class at a London university like Queen Mary, which has a full public health program, you can check out IFSA's Life Science Career Accelerator Plus program, also available in fall 2022. You could also choose the IFSA University of Edinburgh Partnership Direct Enroll option. The University of Edinburgh is a shining example of academic excellence dating back to 1583. Recharge in one of the city's countless green spaces, explore the streets that influence the wizarding world of Harry Potter, and marvel at towering Edinburgh Castle. For Europe, you could go to Ireland to be welcomed by the green hills and gregarious people and study at either University College Dublin, Ireland's largest and most international campus in the vibrant capital city, or head to the southernmost county and city of Cork and discover the cultural, gastronomic and creative hub surrounded by magnificent landscapes. Or you could choose continental Europe in the Mediterranean seaside city of Barcelona, Spain. The IFSA-Barcelona Universities program allows you to study at one of Spain's most prestigious universities, UPF, as well as an optional internship. Finally, we will look at options in the Asia-Pacific region. The IFSA Study in Shanghai Public Health and IFSA Global and Public Health in Manipal, India programs are a fascinating opportunity to study how public health policy is created and implemented in the countries with huge population and massive geographic areas. In Shanghai, all students take a public health policy core course that discusses the formal one-child policy, family planning, caring for an aging population, child and maternal health, health literacy, and regional and urban-rural variations in health. Students also choose from electives like traditional Chinese medicine, nutrition, food safety and security, and environmental health. There is an option to replace one of your electives with a credit-bearing internship related to public health or to pursue directed research in which you formulate your own research topic and are guided by an IFSA faculty expert. In the College Town of Manipal, you will study the rich cultural heritage while exploring India's public health challenges in maternal and child health, environmental and occupational health, and global health problems. In Oceania, you can choose from a number of direct enroll options through our on-site partners. However, the University of Adelaide and Victoria University of Wellington both have well-established public health programs with an impressive list of course options that a public university can provide. Adelaide is a stunning river and accessible beach city with great weather, never-ending festivals, food and wine culture, and affordability. Wellington, once dubbed the coolest little capital city in the world, is a compact, walkable, harbourside city with lots of bustling cafes, cultural and creative opportunities. Now that you're interested in going abroad, what could you do next? To see details about the programs I highlighted and also explore other opportunities, visit the IFSA website. You can see program details, scholarship information, and use our great search tool called Global Wayfinder. Global Wayfinder lets you search for programs by criteria like academic majors, program semester and location, but it also lets you narrow things down further by available activities and day-to-day living experience, such as hobbies you'd like to explore while abroad. You can even search programs with career stepping stones if you'd like to find a program that allows you to pursue an internship or research as part of your time abroad. As I mentioned before, you should definitely go on the IFSA website and use our chart searchable course database to explore the classes you might take while on an IFSA program. In the system, you can access class descriptions and sometimes syllabi, which would be great to show your academic department as you prepare to go abroad. Lastly, if you haven't already done so, check out your home campus study abroad website so you can learn the policies and application process to go abroad. It is especially important to talk with them about the IFSA programs that your campus uses. Some universities and colleges send their students on all IFSA programs, and some pick and choose which IFSA programs they prefer their students attend. Now is also a great time to contact your academic advisor to let them know that you want to include a study abroad program in your degree plan. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on an IFSA program.